is the package that the number 5 coming in. It's maximum security level number 5, and this is the actual lock, and it is a number 5. And we're going to try to pick this one. And we got it. And it came open in about 2 seconds or something like that. We'll try it one more time just to make sure that it wasn't luck. Reset it. Sometimes it pops right open, sometimes it doesn't. And there it came open. So it's fairly easy, about 3 or 4 seconds, maybe 5 at the very most. And that's it. Thanks for watching.